guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. This week is going to be hella lit because my aunt is throwing a taco truck party on Saturday, so I'm super excited for that. My sister and her brother-in-law are coming in Friday, so I don't know what we're going to be doing, if we're going to be doing anything, but either way, this weekend is going to be hella lit. So for this week, I thought I would go in and use the Cheeky Modern Pop scrapbook pads that I used for my June monthly. And I mainly wanted to use it because there's a taco thing on there, so I thought that would be appropriate. And then I also pulled out this sheet from the original seasonal sticker book by Mambi, so I might use these. And then I hauled this a couple weeks ago. I will link that haul down below or in one of the cards up here, but I really want to use this sticker too. It says 100% chance of tacos. I don't know if it's going to fit in the planner, but we'll make it work. That's all I pulled out for now. I will probably add as I go. Also, I have not gotten a fill-in for my nails, so don't judge me. Hopefully that'll be done sometime this week. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. this week's Plan With Me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!